Good morning, y'all. Domino here. Welcome to my live stream, Facebook Live. Okay. See it on YouTube. I was gonna be on Facebook Live, and I'm making pancakes, y'all. Okay. Making pancakes for me and my brother. Okay. Yup. So he's sitting there patiently waiting for the hot cakes. You all right? Okay, yeah, he's waiting. Okay, so make me some hot cakes and bang, we got some, you know. That's a nice size too, okay? All right. And right, the syrup is ready. Okay, so here you go. All right. All right, you want to take the syrup? All right, there we go. Alright, so look at this. Almost done. I dropped this on the floor earlier, so that's mine. This one didn't drop on the floor, you know. So here we go. Alright, so by me dropping some on the floor, it's automatically mine because I dropped it on the floor. He didn't drop it on the floor, I did. You know. At least the floors is clean, thank God, you know. Mm-hmm. All right, so anyway, y'all, let's watch me flip this over. Okay. Watch me flip this hot cake over. All right, there we. Oh shoot, there we go. I mean, every time I flip it, it flops. You know. Every time I flip it, it flops. Okay. I don't know why it always flops, you know. When I flip it, it flops. When I flop it, it flips. Flip, flop. Oh, snap. Oh. You saw that? It happened again, you know. So I'm gonna go to that. I mean, the light flickers on and off, you know. I don't know why it does that, you know. It keeps doing that for some reason, you know. So, honestly, I'm going to call over there to get this fixed, you know? Okay, I'll be back, y'all. Okay. So, as long as I don't get an interruption phone call, you know. Okay. Yeah. It's lots of fun doing my show here, there, everywhere, you know. I love doing this and I love doing that, you know. Nice house. But I wish I was out there in Metairie instead of Orleans, you know. Okay. So like I said, I do gaming to keep y'all interested. Do this or that to keep y'all interested, okay? So I'm on Facebook right now. So if this is on YouTube, then you already know what the heck is going on. Okay. All right. Yep. So I mean, a pancake flips, but I try to flip it and it flops. Okay. Yep. When you try to flip it, it flops. Okay. Flip, flop. You know. Yes, indeed, y'all. Okay. Yeah, so that's all to it. You try to flip it, it flops. Ain't that something, y'all? That's almost a doozy, you know. Not that much of a doozy, okay? All right, so, all right. A nice talking to y'all. I'm about to go to Instagram Live, okay? All right. See y'all then.